Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to present you another small mini project that you can do using Python. So today I am going to develop a small mobile app. So later you can later you can compile or deploy this project using softwares like Android Studio. Here I do not want to show you the deployment or a compile process. So I'll just show you how to create a mini mobile app using Python. So today I am going to create a Fahrenheit to Celsius converter using Python. To do this task, I have to install Kivy module to create the UI. So therefore, first of all, before starting this project, you have to import or install Kivy. So you know how to install Kivy or any module in Python. You can use pip install Kivy to install this module to a computer. So that is the basic requirement you have to do to fulfill this project successfully. So before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So let's go to the project. So I use Visual Studio Code to code my Python codes. So just open Visual Studio and you need to add a new file. So I named my file as mobapp.py. So this is the place where I going to copy and paste my code. So I have pre-written codes for this project, then it will save you time. So I'll add my codes in my personal blog site. So and I put the description. You can get the code from there. So this is only a simple one. So you can develop advanced mobile apps using this method. So this is the pre-written code by myself. So I am going to copy and paste my code. Just copy and paste the code here. Yes, this is the module I have imported or installed Kivy. So this is essential to create the UI. So I don't want to explain Kivy installation process because you already know how to do it using a command prompt pip install Kivy. So that's the method you have to follow. So this is for the layout and this is for the function and this is to run the application. So this is the basic things you need to apply to create this app. Then I want to save my code and I am going to run my code. So to run, I want to add a new terminal. Yes, I added new terminal. Then I want to access the partition E. That is the I have saved my file in partition E. Then I want to access P directory. Then Python mobapp.py. Then press enter. Then my code starts run. Yes, this is the interface of my mobile app Fahrenheit to Celsius converter. So I want to test by adding some value. So here I am going to add to 115. Then press this convert button. Yes, you see my Fahrenheit value converts to Celsius 1. So just try with another value 100 and convert. Yeah, it works. So this is how your mobile app works. So then you can use Android Studio or any other software to compile the project or deploy the project. So this is what I'm going to explain you under Python mini projects. So I think it is helpful to you. So try to develop this further. Then that's it for today. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the channel with your friends. Thank you very much.